Toyota's latest generation audio multimedia platform has arrived, and it includes a huge list of great entertainment, convenience, and connectivity features. And the best part is, it's just going to keep getting better. This is thanks to the use of VIN-specific over-the-air updates, which allow new software to be installed straight to the vehicle, meaning that many updates will no longer require a visit to the dealer. Let's learn how it works. Just like with your phone, these over-the-air updates are designed to make it easy to enjoy the latest vehicle features, as well as potentially address certain existing issues. These updates work with any vehicle that's equipped with a Cellular Data Communications Module, or DCM, but active subscriptions to connected services are not required. Additionally, these updates can be performed through an external Wi-Fi connection if the vehicle is paired to an active network, or even installed through a USB thumb drive. With the exception of full system upgrades, these updates are designed to occur while maintaining full functionality of the system. And they're also Delta-style updates, which means smaller, faster downloads. Lastly, in the event an update is installed incorrectly, the system will automatically roll back to the previous stable version. And if the update was interrupted, it will resume where it left off the next time the vehicle is started. These updates can be triggered in one of three ways. First, approximately once per week, the system will check if an update is available when the vehicle is started. Second, Toyota can send out an on-demand update whenever one is needed. And lastly, the update can be checked for and updated manually. Let's learn how to update manually through a wireless connection. First, in the Vehicle Settings menu, select Software Update. The system will immediately check if there's an update available and then display either No Updates Available or Updates Available with an option to view more information. If an update is available, there will be an Update Software option to initiate the update process, in addition to Model Info, which allows you to view the current system specs. Alternatively, you may see a pop-up banner with a download button. Whether you select Update Software or the download button, you will see a Terms of Service agreement. After accepting this, the system will begin downloading the software. There's an option to cancel the update, and you may see a pop-up explaining that some features will be unavailable during the update. Even when this is the case, the vehicle can still be driven during the update, but there may be reduced system functionality until it is finished. Finally, another pop-up may appear once the update is complete. And please note that updates do require either the vehicle or multimedia system to restart before it's finalized. The system offers a number of customizations to the update process in the main Settings menu. These include whether notifications are displayed when non-critical updates are available, which is located in the Notifications section. Please note that while regular and critical updates can be postponed, only notifications for regular updates can be disabled. Lastly, you can view a history of installed updates and their contents. So that's a quick look at how over-the-air updates work with Toyota's latest system. To learn more about audio multimedia, visit toyota.com/audio multimedia.